Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I'll share with you guys how I make pumpkin bread using a bread maker machine. Please relax and please keep on watching. For the list of ingredients, I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour if you have, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of bread machine instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of oil, and a teaspoon of salt. The list of ingredients will be in the description box or in the comment section. So over here is my bread machine. I'm going to bring out the pan and I'm going to pour in all those ingredients. Breaking bread in a bread machine is very easy, so just pour in all your ingredients. You don't have to follow any step, just pour in whichever one that is very close to you. Pour everything in, but I like to start with my wet ingredients first. So after I add all the wet ingredients, then I start adding the dry ingredients, and this is me adding the yeast. And I also went ahead to add the nutmeg. Nutmeg gives bread a very good flavor. And lastly, I poured in the all-purpose flour. Now that our ingredients are in, we are going to transfer this pan back into the bread maker. Each bread maker machine will have a different setting, but that basically almost the same thing. So here I chose the 2 pound. I also chose the medium crust and no extras, and I pressed on start and it has started kneading the bread. You don't have any other thing to do other than to relax and wait for your bread to be ready. It usually takes about 3 to 4 hours for it to finish making the bread. Here I'm pouring in 2 tablespoons of flour because I noticed that my dough is sticky, it's not coming together. So make sure you wash yours, and if it's sticky, just pour in some flour until you get a perfect dough. So this is the first step of rising, and the machine is just going to do everything. It's going to rise 3 times and then it will start baking when it is time for it to be baked. So at this time the bread is ready and it's keeping the bread warm. So here I'm going to bring it out and show you guys what it looks like. At this time my whole house was smelling so good, so good. Fresh bread, fresh from the oven. So here is the bread. I'm going to bring it out and we're going to cut it, and so that you guys will just see what the inside looks like. At this time it is still very hot, so I waited for it to cool down completely before slicing into it. So here is this bread, guys. This was so good, so good. I hope you guys try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions for me. Feel free to check out my other bread machine recipes. Please like this video, share the video, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.